Welcome to your next car. It's Wasim here, presenting you a quick walk around of this beautiful 420 DM Sport coupe we have in. So we have a two-door coupe presented in Alpine white, fitted with the Your Next Car styling pack. It's a 2017 facelift model, so I'll walk you around and show you the specs. LED headlights. We've just fitted these 20-inch wheels. Brand new tyres all round. 3-piece front splitter. It's covered just 35,000 miles. It's a one-owner car, so it's very, very tidy. Privacy glass to the rear. LED tail lights as well. Rear diffuser. Gloss rear spoiler. If you prefer, we can debadge the 420. Original mats. Split folding rear seats as well. Let's take a look at the interior. Black Dakota leather. M Sport steering, automatic lights, rain sensors, park sensors. The lovely feature of this one is the interior trim. This is the silver carbon effect. Factory option. Looks very, very nice in person. With the gloss black accents around here. Professional widescreen sat nav. Let's take a look at the service history. 2 logged services. First one's a pre-delivery. Last serviced at 31. So that was engine oil, front brakes, microfilter, air filter, fuel filter. So that's a big service done at 31. Widescreen sat nav. Media wise, auxiliary, Bluetooth, DAB, Bluetooth audio. All the original handbox there for you as well. And the back seats even tidier than the front, don't even appear to be a satin. Physically in stock, ready to drive away. Give one of our sales guys a call.